Kwelinye inqaku kukho ingxelo malunga nezenzo ezirhanelekayo zokombiwa komgodi ngongekho mthethweni kufutshane nesitalato esilungisayo iLillian Ngoyi kumbindi wesixeko saseGoli. Oku kudizwe ngusomlomo webhunga lomasipala uNobuhle Mthembu ngelixa lotyelelo lwakhe lokuhlola isiza ebutsheni banamhlanje. uMthembu uvakalisa ukwanaliseka ngenkqubo ngenkqubela yokulungiswa kwesitalato, kodwa uphakamisa inkxalabo malunga nezenzo zokombiwa ongekho mthethweni. Uthi ii-arhente zogcino-mthetho ziza kuqwalasela ngokukhawuleza lo mba.
Wonke amehlo athe nje kumgwaqo iLillian Ngoyi obuwaziwa ngeBree Street eJohannesburg njengoba kwamenyezelwa ukuqedwa kwesigaba sokuqala sawo. Usomlomo kulo masipala ukhansela uNobuhle Mthembu uhambele le ndawo ukuyobheka inqubekela phambili.
Ukuya sithola ukuthi as a contractor umsebenzi uhamba kanjani. You made a promise, we informed the residents, we just want to see. But I'm glad to say mangiya lapha ngibonile ne tunnel today ukuthi they are halfway done with that tunnel. It's not just isigodi like before, you could see something is actually happening. So that's what we want to see. But the next visit, it will be before August. We are in May, we'll probably go in July because we want to ensure that the contractor sticks to their promise.
Kusenjalo usomlomo uzokalisa ukukhathazeka ngembiko ethi kukhona abavukuzayo ngongemthetho.
When we were there on site, we got informed ukuthi mawuseLillian Ngoyi khona eCapitec, that under that building eCapitec, there are people busy in illegal mining, and there's other buildings also. This is something that's happening, that's ongoing. So we, as legislature, into social executive now, we don't need to be reactive. We don't need to sit and wait for something else to happen. We went on site. We were even informed about something else to prevent into so.
Lo mgwaqo wabhidlika ngonyaka ka-2023 kulandela ukuqhuma kwegesi ngaphansi. Kanti-ke isigaba sokuqala kulindeleke siqedwe okupheleni kuka-August. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseBramfontein.